Hello everyone, this is my review of the Nature's Gardens Trails Mix. This one is a cranberry healthy mix, and it has a blend of peanuts, cranberries, black raisins, sunflower seeds, peanuts, almonds, golden raisins, pecans, and walnuts. I'm going to go ahead and open up so you can see the contents inside. It has a fair amount of seeds and nuts and berries to suffice you, to satisfy you. That is a good trail mix, a nice snack to have, a good healthy snack to have, and it's pretty delicious, a delicious combination that I enjoy, and hopefully you will too. I highly recommend this product and this brand, and I hope that this review helps.